The whole earth was one language, one voice. They journeyed and settled together, found a plain and stayed. Brick replaced stone, fire hardened their resolve. They said to one another, "Let us build. Let us build a city and a tower reaching the heavens. Let us make a name for ourselves, lest we be scattered across the face of the earth." One people, one speech, one ambition rising, hands stacked brick on brick, reaching upward, holding ground. The Lord came down to see the city and the tower. He saw what man had begun and what would not be restrained if left united in pride. Behold, they are one people, and this is only the beginning. Nothing they plan will be withheld from them. So language was confused, words broken apart, speech no longer carried thought, understanding fell away, and unity fractured. They stopped building, they scattered, the city was left unfinished, its name called Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of all the earth. They sought a name for themselves and lost their voice.